guys, Melissa here, the Winnemucca book lady. I want to show you a peek inside a brand new book that we just recently got from Usborne Books and More that I didn't even know existed until just recently. And can I tell you, my kids think it's hilarious. Are you ready for this? The Gas We Pass, the story of farts. Oh my goodness. When an elephant farts, the farts are really big. Oh my goodness. People fart too. Bubbles rise. Boop, boop, boop. A little bit farther into the book. If you try too hard to hold your farts, your stomach may hurt. You could get dizzy, or you could get a headache. So don't hold them in. Pass that gas. When you begin to fart after an operation, that means your intestines have started working. Whoop, whoop, yeah. And towards the end of the book, animals such as skunks and stink bugs protect themselves by letting out a smelly fluid from near the holes of their bottoms. This is not farting. And that's the story of farts. Farewell. That's a little preview inside The Gas We Pass, the story of farts, a Kane Miller book from Usborne Books and More. What do you think? Are you going to pass some gas? Or are you going to go get this book and make your kids laugh seriously harder than they've probably ever laughed before? Or are you going to pass this one around the nursing home? Oh my goodness.